Welcome to This Old Geek. Let's set up an Amazon Echo. The Echo's been around for a number of years. There are different sizes, and most recently they've changed the design from a cylinder to more of a sphere. So today we're going to concentrate on the new design, and we have the smaller version, which is called the Dot, and then we have the grown-up version, which is called the Echo. There's so much that these smart speakers can do that today we're just going to get it initially configured and set up with some of the more common tasks. But this can actually control any of your smart lights, play music, make phone calls, send text messages. They're really a great device, and if you watch Amazon, you can get these on sale quite often. And sometimes you can even get them for better prices at Best Buy and at Kohl's. So if you're really interested in these, I would recommend, unless you're desperate, don't pay regular price. Wait for a sale. All right, so let's get started and open this guy up. And actually it says, hey, there's 2 steps. If you know me by now, I don't like directions, so, hieroglyphics work for me. All right. So there's the new sphere. Let's get this aside. Here's the plug-in. Get rid of that. There is 2 booklets. Some important information. And then, hello. And in these directions, just some initial directions here. On the top, there are some controls. So we'll go through this in a second. And kind of tells you the steps. Just so you know, you're going to need a smartphone with the Amazon Alexa app installed. That's how you get these set up. You control them and configure them. So that's a requirement. You don't need an Amazon Prime account. That's kind of a misconception. You get a lot more cooler stuff with it, but you don't have to have one. All right, so we've got that guy. Let's open it up. These are normally really good quality. I mean, it is plastic. It's got a plastic feel for it, but the sound out of these is really pretty good. So behind here, we've got an input if you were to plug in another audio device, and then the power. All right, so let's get this plugged in and get rocking and rolling. When you buy an Amazon Echo device or any Amazon device from Amazon, it can link with your account, which saves you some setup time. However, if you buy them from a store like Best Buy or Kohl's, you'll need to do a little more configuring. I actually can't remember how I purchased this, so let's get into the app. And I'm going to go through these steps. Oh, look. It says it's doing something. All right, so I am in my app.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration.
I was waiting for French.
Suivez les instructions. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Okay. So I'm in my Alexa app.
The Echo is ready.
My Echo is ready already. Okay. I'm going to go in here. All right. So I bought this through my Amazon account, and what's cool about it is I didn't have to set anything up because it was purchased from Amazon through my account. It's already tied to my account. It knows my Wi-Fi, and it's already in my list of Echo devices. The first thing I'm going to do is edit the name because I got this to replace the bedroom Echo. So let's do that. Okay. You can pair these with a subwoofer now, which is kind of neat. It has a temperature. One thing I like to turn on is follow-up mode. Follow-up mode allows you to kind of converse with the smart speaker so you don't always have to say the wake word, which the wake word by default is Alexa. See, she lit up. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 2:31 p.m.
So what's the weather?
Currently, in Round Lake it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather, with a high of 70 degrees and a low of 42 degrees.
Change your wake word to computer.
Okay, you can call me computer on this device in a few seconds.
There we go. Let's try it. Computer, what's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Round Lake, there will be partly sunny weather, with a high of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 56 degrees.
Thanks.
Of course, John.
Oh, knew my name. There are also controls on the top of this. There's a mute button. She'll turn red. You can also do volume up and volume down. As you touch these, it gives you some feedback. You can also turn up pretty much, actually, you can do anything using your voice, as you've seen. So I can do computer, turn the volume up 20%. Let's play some music. Computer, play the Star Wars theme song.
Star Wars theme by the BBC Concert Orchestra on Amazon Music.
Yikes! Computer, stop. You can also have it do your news, daily routines, morning routines. You can have a night routine. If you have smart lights and other things like that, your night routine could be to turn them off or turn them off on a schedule. There are a lot of cool things, and of course, one of the best ones, which is kind of silly, but computer, what time is it?
It's 2:38 p.m.
So there you go. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if it helped you out. Tell me a Star Wars joke.
Baby Groot and Baby Yoda walk into a bar. The bartender says, "Let me guess, bottle service?"
What's your favorite Star Wars movie?
The Empire Strikes Back is my favorite. It was impressive.
Mine too.
Most impressive.
Tell me a quote from Star Wars.
Here is a Star Wars, Episode 4, A New Hope quote. The Imperial Senate will no longer be of any concern to us. I've just received word that the Emperor has dissolved the Council permanently. The last remnants of the old Republic have been swept away. Grand Moff Tarkin.